Boost your English. Master active voice in informal writing. Hello, learners. Welcome to another episode in our series on English language skills. Today, we're going to dive into an important aspect of informal writing, the use of active voice. Whether you're writing an email to a friend or a post on social media, using the active voice can make your writing more engaging and clear. But it's also easy to fall into some common traps. Don't worry, though, we're here to help you avoid these pitfalls. Before we delve into the tips for maintaining active voice in informal writing, it's crucial to understand what active voice is. In active voice, the subject of the sentence performs the action. For example, she is cooking dinner. Here, she is the subject who is doing the action, cooking. This makes the sentence more direct and lively, perfect for informal writing. So, what are some common mistakes people make when trying to use active voice in informal writing? Mistake 1. Unnecessary use of passive voice. This happens when you write a sentence where the object of the action is the subject of the sentence. For example, the book was read by me. Instead, you can say, I read the book. Mistake 2. Overuse of is, are, was, were. This can often lead to passive sentences. For example, there are a lot of apples that were eaten by us. A better way to express this in active voice is, we ate a lot of apples. Now let's focus on the ways you can consistently use and maintain active voice in your informal writing. Tip 1. Start with the doer. When constructing a sentence, start with the person or thing that is doing the action. Tip 2. Follow with a strong verb. Using a powerful verb can add energy to your sentence and make it more compelling. Tip 3. Limit your use of to be verbs. These are verbs like is, am, are, was, were, etc. While they are necessary at times, overuse can make your writing sound passive and dull. Tip 4. Practice, practice, practice. Like any skill, getting the hang of active voice takes practice. Try converting passive sentences to active ones or write short stories using only active voice. And that wraps up our lesson on using active voice in informal writing. Remember, it's all about making your sentences more dynamic and engaging. So next time you're crafting an email or writing a social media post, think about who is doing what, and let that guide your sentence structure. With practice, you'll soon become a master at using active voice. Happy writing!